I'm Dr. Rachel of Evolve Dental in Kenmore. I want to talk about dental smile makeovers and whether they're right for you. I'm going to explain what smile makeovers are, what they involve, and what circumstances they're right for. So, if you've got chipped, worn, crowded, discoloured teeth, you're just not happy with the appearance of your smile, then a smile makeover is absolutely the best way to get the smile that you dream of. Now, a smile makeover doesn't have to be like what you've seen on TV where it's a complete full rehabilitation. There are some very simple things that we can do that can enhance your smile quickly, painlessly, and without spending too much money. So let's explore this and find out if a smile makeover is right for you. So if you want to improve your smile, then essentially, yes, we should do a smile makeover. This can be anything from adult braces, crowns, veneers, teeth whitening, bridges, implants, gum reshaping, or a total makeover. So this can make a lot of difference to your smile. So I'm going to go through each of those different things that we can do to enhance your smile, and then we'll talk a little bit more about why you'd want to do that. So let me start by explaining about dental bonding. Well, this is a process where we put tooth-coloured resin onto your tooth and then harden it with a special light. And this improves your smile. It's probably the easiest, the simplest, and the least expensive of the cosmetic dental treatments that we can do. Bonding can repair chipped or cracked teeth, it can close gaps, and it can change the shape of your teeth. And it can be used as a cosmetic alternative to replace your metal and silver dark fillings. The next option is veneers. And veneers are a wafer-thin, custom-made shell that covers over the front surface of your teeth, and it's bonded to the front of the teeth, and it will change the colour, the shape, the size, and even the length. Now, veneers can be made from porcelain or composite resin. They offer a really conservative way of changing the tooth colour and the shape compared to crowns, but the process is not reversible. Once you've gone down having veneers, then it's veneers for life. Now, a crown is a tooth-shaped cap or a little crash helmet that goes over a weak or damaged tooth, and that will help improve its shape, its size, it will add strength, and it will also improve the appearance. Now, crowns will last up to 15 years, and they're usually made of porcelain or ceramic. And before it's seated, we have to shape and file the tooth down and then fit the crown over it. And this fully encases the tooth. We can do procedures like enamel shaping or, just recontouring the tooth. This is a really quick and painless process of shaping natural teeth to improve their appearance. It's generally used if you've got small imperfections, such as uneven teeth, or teeth that are slightly overcrowded or a little bit chipped and worn, and the results can be seen immediately. And we'll often combine that with a bit of whitening, veneers, or tooth bonding. Now, if you've got crooked or misaligned or crowded teeth, then braces or orthodontics are the way to go. They can improve the health and the appearance of anyone's smile. Braces work by applying steady pressure over time to slowly move the teeth to give them a nice alignment. And as the teeth move, the shape of your jaw changes to accommodate the position of the teeth. So let's have a little look at the different types of braces. Well, if you look closely, you can see I'm wearing metal braces because I'm having my bite corrected. So these are still used, but if you don't want to have metal brackets and wires, we can use clear, tooth-coloured aligners. They're see-through, nobody can tell you're wearing them. They're invisible. So it uses plastic molds that push and gradually move the teeth into place. No rubbing, no sharp edges, no wires or brackets to worry about. Nobody'd even know you're having it done. tooth whitening. Tooth whitening is one of the biggest things that we can do to give your smile a real boost and lift. I mean, who doesn't like a fresh, bright smile? There are a whole range of tooth whitening systems, from toothpaste and rinses, over-the-counter gels, strips that you put on, trays and whitening agents that you get from the dentist. But whitening isn't for everyone. You've got to have healthy, unrestored teeth, and gums have to be in good health. If you've got yellow tones in your teeth, they respond really well to whitening. So why don't you come in and see us and find out which type of whitening is right for you? 37201811. Let's talk about white fillings. Now, existing fillings sometimes need to be replaced. They get worn, they chip, they break down, they stain and they discolour. We can replace those with fresh, natural looking tooth coloured composites. This will improve the aesthetics and they will really blend in nicely to your teeth so no one can see that they're there. Really perfect for any small cavities that you have on your front teeth. Now, with smile makeovers, the sky's the limit, and in dentistry we've got so many modern techniques now. So one of these is gum reshaping, and this can improve a gummy smile where the teeth appear a little bit short and the gum line might be uneven, so it's a bit higher or lower in places. A small amount of the gum tissue is trimmed away to expose more of the teeth. Now this can be done to one tooth to get the gum line more even, or several teeth to expose a more natural, broader looking smile. Now, what if you have missing teeth? Now, not many people are happy with dentures and they never look that nice or feel that comfortable. So now that we can offer things like implants, you know, if you've lost a tooth through tooth decay, an accident or gum disease, dental implants are absolutely fantastic. An implant replaces your tooth. It's like having a root made of titanium or ceramic popped into the space. It provides a really strong foundation for the attachment of crowns or even bigger dentures or bridges. And this gives you a really beautiful looking smile and the peace of mind knowing it's not going to fall out, it's not going to move, you're not going to have problems with anything that's going to embarrass you. The flip side of this is having a denture. A denture is much cheaper, you don't have to have any surgery, but it's the thing that you take in and out and it just pops in and fills in the gap, like completing a jigsaw puzzle. Now, a denture is a cheap alternative to an implant, but they do need replacing over time. They will stain and they will discolour, and they are never going to feel as comfortable as your own teeth. Now, the other thing we can do to replace a missing tooth is a bridge, and this is fixed to the next door neighbour teeth by placing crowns over them, and the false tooth is attached to those. The bridge is cemented in place, and the downside with that is if you've got teeth that aren't filled, you do have to remove tooth structure. But if you've got heavily filled teeth and they don't look very pretty, a bridge is a perfect way to enhance your smile and replace the missing tooth at the same time. What other things can we do? We can do gum grafts. So if you're getting a bit long in the tooth and the root is exposed due to recession, it can look unsightly and it can also be sensitive. You know, we get long in the tooth. It can put you at risk of developing a cavity on the tooth root, and you can get more bone loss from not being able to keep everything clean. So gum grafts are done where we take some healthy gum from another part of the mouth and place it over into another. And this can improve the aesthetics and the gum line. So you can see a smile makeover can be as simple as just reshaping and recontouring the tooth, adding some bonding, to more extremes like doing implants, veneers and crowns and bigger cases. A combination of dental techniques can be used to give you a great smile. Porcelain veneers and crowns can be used to correct crooked teeth and an uneven gum line, and chipped, worn or discoloured teeth or dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry will make a dramatic appearance to your smile. It must be carefully planned, and we need to make sure we pace you and make sure that you're getting the result that you want. So if you want to know how we can help you have the smile you want and you deserve, then call us on 37201811 and get booked in for a consultation as soon as possible.